Have you ever wanted to ask a question in English but didn't know how to start? Like, what? Where? Why? When? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to master the most important question words in English, the famous WH questions, so you can speak more clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's get started. To make sure that you really comprehend this topic, we are going to cover or discuss 1. The kinds of WH questions. 2. The usages and examples. 3. The rules. 4. Real-life questions and answers. And 5. Mini quiz. Let's begin. There are two main types of questions. Yes, no questions and WH question. But now we focus on WH questions. WH questions are questions starting with WH words including what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why and how. Question words are used to ask about specific qualities, times, places, people and so on. Let's see and discuss them one by one. Question words. Usages. Examples. 1. What? Used to ask about things. What are you doing? What do you think about the movie? 2. When? Used to ask about time. When will the meeting start? When are you leaving? 3. Where? Used to ask about places. Where's my bag? Where do you live? 4. Who? Used to ask about people. Who do you love the most in your family? Who told you that story? 5. Whom? Used to ask about people, or object of the verb. Whom did you see in the morning? I saw Mr. Mark, my English teacher. 6. Which? Used to ask about choices. Which one do you choose? The left or right? Of all the drinks in the menu, which one would you like? 7. Whose? Used to ask about possession. Whose pencil is this? Is it yours? Whose books are these? 8. Why? Used to ask about reasons or causes. Why did it happen? I didn't understand. Why is he crying? 9. How? Used to ask about manner or process. How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How can you get here? How to form WH questions. There are two ways in forming WH questions, with an auxiliary and without any auxiliary. Let's see. 1. With an auxiliary. The rule is WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. Note: auxiliary verbs are helping verbs, not main verbs. Common auxiliary verbs include be, such as, is, am, are, was, were, etc. Do, have, English modal, such as will, shall, would, can, could, must, should, may, might, etc. Examples. What do you do for a living? Why should we read books? Let's compare to the second rule. Rule 2. Without any auxiliary. This is used when WH words replace subjects already. So the rule is WH word plus main verb. Examples. What happened to Peter? A bad accident happened to him today. Here is another example. Who won the game? Theo won the game. Got it right. Well, now let's exemplify those WH questions in real-life conversation. 1. What? Example. What do you think about the party? Well, it's fun. I like the music best. What will happen if our team loses this time? We'll be out of the game. 2. When? When will the train arrive? The train will arrive in 30 minutes. When are you going to visit James? I'm going to see him tomorrow. 3. Where? Where did you leave my jacket? I left it in my bedroom. Where have you been? I've been in the library reading books. 4. Who? Who told you that secret? Jenny did. She told me everything. Who do you like the most in this class? I like Henry. He's so friendly. 5. Whom? Whom should we talk to? We should talk to the principal. She's responsible for student issues. Whom did you see yesterday? I saw Kevin and his girlfriend. 6. Which? Which shirt do you like? I like the one with the big yellow star on it. Which color do you choose? I choose red. 7. Whose? Whose jacket is this? It's my mom's. Whose birthday is today? It's Jenny's. 8. Why? Why did you leave so early? Because I didn't enjoy the party. Why do you think that he loves you? Because he's given me lots of chocolate on Valentine's Day. 9. How? How many people are there in your class? There are 30 of them. How come you lost the game? I couldn't answer the first question well enough. Now let's practice. Try to answer these 3 questions. Question 1. Which WH word do you use to ask about time? A. What? B. Where? C. When? D. Why? Good job. The correct answer is C. When. When is used to ask about time. Example. When is your birthday? Question 2. Choose the correct question word. Blank. Do you live? A. What? B. Where? C. Who? D. How? Well done. The correct answer is B. Where. Where asks about a place or location. Example. Where do you live? I live in Jakarta. Question 3. Why are you late? What does why ask about? A. A reason. B. A place. C. A person. D. A thing. Amazing. The correct answer is A. A reason. Why is used to ask about the reason something happens. Example. Why are you late? Because there was traffic. Now you know how to use WH questions like a pro. What, where, when, why, who, which, and how. Practice using them in real situations, and you'll see your English improve fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and fun English lessons. And here's a challenge for you. Leave a comment using one WH question you made yourself. I'll check it. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next video.